Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee using milk powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: instant coffee, milk powder, and sugar if you like it sweet. You'll also need hot water, a mug, and a spoon. Think about how strong you like your coffee and how creamy you want your milk. This simple process is perfect for a quick and satisfying cup, especially when fresh milk isn't available. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's prepare the milk base. Start by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk powder into your mug. Next, carefully pour about 1/4 cup of hot water over the powder. It's important to stir this mixture vigorously until the milk powder is completely dissolved and you have a smooth, lump-free liquid. You can always adjust the amount of powder here to achieve your desired milk consistency, whether you prefer it thicker or thinner. With your milk base ready, it's time to add the coffee. Spoon 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant coffee into the mug with your dissolved milk. If you enjoy a sweeter beverage, now is the moment to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then, pour the remaining hot water into the mug, filling it to your preferred level. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined, creating a harmonious blend. Finally, it's time for the best part: tasting and enjoying your creation. Take a sip and make any final adjustments to the sweetness or coffee strength as needed. For an extra touch, consider adding a small pinch of cinnamon or cocoa powder. Your delicious, creamy coffee made with milk powder is now ready to be served and enjoyed. This convenient method is perfect for any time, especially when you're on the go or don't have fresh milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.